Hey everyone, it's Dan back for another video. If this is the first time on my channel, I post a lot on how to grow your social media accounts and other various marketing tips. As you can see, I started off on Instagram with just a few hundred followers, and just about a year later I have over 100,000 followers. So if you're interested in growing your social media accounts, subscribe below to get alerted on my new videos and the new tricks that I learned to growing your accounts. And before we get started, if this video helps you, I would greatly appreciate a like. It'll be such a huge help on my channel. It'll allow me to keep creating more videos and allowing me to research all these new tricks that come out to share with you guys. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram. This can be done in two ways: from your mobile phone through the Instagram app, and the second way will be done from your computer, where you can actually schedule and plan your posts months in advance. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if this isn't obvious enough, is open up the Instagram app. When the app is open, you'll land on this home news feed, and this is just the main screen after you log into Instagram. But in the top right hand corner, you can see here is this little plus icon. What you're going to want to do is click that, and then this is just going to load in all of your photos that you have on your camera roll, and you can just tap with your finger and select which photo you might want to upload. Say I want to upload this to my regular post. So I'm going to select this photo here, and then I'm going to click next at the top right hand corner. This is going to bring me to a screen where I can choose the filter if I want to add a filter. I kind of like the original no filter setting on this photo, so I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And then this is the options where I can write a caption, I can add a location, and if I want to create a promotion and have the post to my Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and write a caption here. And when I'm done with my caption and adding any of the other additional settings, I'm just going to click the share button on the top right hand corner. And it's going to take a few seconds, and my post is on Instagram. And this is the other option if you want to upload photos or videos to Instagram from your computer. I will leave a link of this application in the description. It's a free application with paid plans, but I just used the free plan. It's called Greatly Socials. You can go to greatlysocial.com, search Greatly Social on Google, or just click the link in the description. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a sign up button. I'm already logged in, so there is a dashboard button. You can just go ahead and click sign up, register an account, then you'll land on this dashboard page. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the account manager on the left sidebar. This is where you're going to connect not only your Instagram account, but Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube. It allows you to connect all your accounts, and you can even create one post and post to all your accounts at the same time. So this is a great tool if you're trying to grow your social media presence across the board. For this purpose, you can just go ahead and connect your Instagram account either under Instagram business accounts or Instagram direct login accounts. Once you're finished connecting your Instagram account, you can go to the Instagram post page on the left sidebar. From this post page, you can just choose which account you want to post to. You have the same kind of options up here as you would on Instagram, so your regular timeline posts, story posts, IGTV, or a carousel where you can upload multiple photos or videos in one post. Then for your file option, you can upload directly from your file manager. This is the storage on your Greatly Social account. As you can see, I already have some photos connected here, so I'll just go ahead and add one of these. But you do have the option to upload from your computer, Google Drive, or your Dropbox accounts. And then similar with Instagram, you do have additional options. You can tag users in the post, you can add the caption of your posts, and if you click additional settings, you'll see the option to add the location as well as the first comment on your post. What's cool about this tool is that you can actually schedule the post for later. So if you check off the schedule button, you'll see this time post section where if you click it, it'll bring up this calendar where you can choose the day, the time, and it'll schedule on that time. You can also choose the frequency, so if you want the post to go out every 10 days or up to every 60 days, you have that option also. And I do have a more detailed tutorial on how to use this application. I'll leave a link in the description for that. I go over how I schedule a whole month worth of posts in, I believe it was about 15 minutes or less. So you can check that video. That'll be in the description if you want to see more in-depth tutorial on this. These are the two options if you want to post from your phone or your computer. I hope this video helped you, and I definitely appreciate you taking the time and watching. Thanks.